How you doing? My name is Brian Martin. I'm the owner of Powerhouse Painting and Home Improvement. One thing that we've been installing a lot of lately is vinyl railings. And here's a sample of what they can look like. So why vinyl railings versus wood railings? First, it does not rot. Second, it is durable. It withstands all the weather. And the big part of our vinyl railings that we like to buy, it has aluminum on the inside on the top rail and aluminum inside on the bottom rail. So it is extremely durable. The other part that we love about vinyl railing is you can do different color options. So the actual top rail and post can be one color. And as you can see in this sample, you can have different color spindles. So these are the few reasons we like to have it. But the other part is no painting. So if you're tired of painting your railings, then give us a call and we can give you a price for vinyl railings. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 757-310-2926.